So I want to show you guys the issue that I'm having with the ad rules engine. Um, so in my initial message, I said how, let me go to the app dashboard. I mentioned how under the marketing API, it showed my access level was development. Well, I applied for ads management standard access and got approved within the time that you guys sent me the last message. So now it says standard. So I figured this would fix the issue and the webhooks would work. However, if I go back to webhooks, go to application, you can see I'm subscribed to the ad rules engine. All right, over on the left side is logs running on my server, and I have an endpoint set up here that's been verified already. I already used the verified token. So if I test the ad rules engine, I would expect to see a log show up on the screen. You can see over here, I'm not getting any new logs with the test webhook. All right, to prove that the URL is correct, I can try it with another one. I can test ad account, because that one is subscribed as well. So there you go. You can see here that I received the webhook right here. So I do know that my URL is correct. However, the ad rules engine doesn't send me anything, and I guess I don't understand why. Another example, here's one of this is Place Fitness Ads Manager, which I do have set up with the ad rules engine. If I go to Graph API Explorer, I can see here, these are all of the ad rules. So I would expect if I were to change one of these items, it would ping my endpoint. So for example, if I turn this on, okay, it says it was updated. I would expect to see over here the log that shows that the ad rules engine is working, and it just isn't. So maybe you guys can help me understand why this is happening. That would be immensely helpful. Thank you.